Heavy rainfall has wreaked havoc across the northeastern region of India, triggering mudslides, landslides, and floods in states like Meghalaya, Assam, Mizoram, and others. In Meghalaya, the incessant downpour led to landslides and floods, resulting in road blockages and significant property damage. Residents in affected areas, particularly in West Garo Hills, Southwest, and West Khasi Hills, faced imminent danger. Minister of Revenue and Disaster Management, Government of Meghalaya, Shilla, provided an update on the extensive damage caused by the rainfall over the past 4 to 5 days across the state.
The report which we received yesterday till 10 o'clock in the morning. So, West Garo Hills, it happens to be 11 villages were affected, whereas 2,808 population were affected, and one school building also, and then one house was fully damaged. This is in West Garo Hills. In Southwest Khasi Hills, where landslide occurred on 16th itself. So this fall under Maukarwat Sin RD block, which affect one village and 8 population were affected who stayed at that house. And when it comes to detailed report for this, assessment is being done by the officers. So this will be provided, to the department for the relief and all. So West Khasi Hills, here we under non-strength in RD block. So the report is under assessment. It shows that at Lao, Rapha, and Te South village, these are the villages were affected due to landslide. East Jainde Hills under Lumshnong Sin RD block, because of the heavy rainfall, we have seen the movement of the vehicle has been stopped, and after that it restored back. West Garo Hills, we have seen that on the 15th, so around 6:50 a.m. under Silsila block, it caused damage, and some FIP project and 150 families were affected under West Garo Hills. And then we have also, well, in West Garo Hills is the most affected place. I have many reports here, but I have seen it different things, so which I would like to read it. So in West Garo Hills itself, and we have received in different parts. So we saw that under Silsila block only, we saw that single FIP project were affected, where 100 families were affected, and it affect even more Marok FIP project, where 110 families were affected, and Dolgri FIP project, it affects 120 families. Gumai Johora FIP project, it affects 180 families. In Rok Sangre FIP project, it affects 100 families. And under Tikrikla block, it affects to Ajagar FIP project, which is around 300 families. And at the same Tikrikla block, we saw it affect Khasiapara FIP project, which affect around 120 families. And under Tikrikla block again, so Sagol Chika FIP, it affects 70 families. Again in West Garo Hills itself, Tikrikla block, so Sabong FIP project, here it affects around 85 families. And Dabong FIP project, here it affects around 65 families. And on the 15th itself, we have seen that under the same block, Tikrikla, so due to the tree fallen, it affect building of the government quarters, which also damage the pavement and fencing wall. These are the area which affect under West Garo Hills and different part of the state. So the most affected district is West Garo Hills, which is on the 15, 16. These are the two dates. These are the two dates which are really affected, especially on the 15 and some on 16. And we have in West Garo Hills itself, we have seen that all these 11 projects which I have mentioned. So as I've mentioned all those names, we have seen that the project at Silsila, Singwil, Murak, Dolgri, Gumai, Jhora, Rock Sangre, Ajagar, Khasiapara, Sagol, Chiga, Sabong, Dabong was affected due to flash flood. So as I've been read all those names, these are the most affected area in West Garo Hills.